Today we'll be learning about the demonstratives. That are the words starting with ko, so, a or do. So the words can be kore, sore, are, dore series or kono, sono, ano, dono series and so on. So now if we want to point at an object and want to say, okay, this is a ball or this is a pen or that is a pen, how do we do that? So for that we use these words kore, sore, kono, sono, koko, soko, kochira, sochira. So for this we have a list. So you can see usually in English we have like if an object is nearby we usually use this, and if it is far away we use that. So here also we have near the speaker and far from the speaker, and we have an additional set of words which are used when the object is far from both the speaker and listener. They are are, ano, asoko, achira, etc. And the question words, corresponding question words, dore, dono, doko, dochira. We'll look into it one by one. So first we'll start with kore, sore, are, dore. So the format is kore wa some noun this. For example, kore wa pen this, or sore wa pen this, or are wa pen this. And if we have to ask a question, we do it like, for example, pen wa dore desu ka, or something like that. So in the picture here, we can see the left hand side person and the right hand side person, and in between there is a bag. In Nihongo we call it a kaban. So as you can see, the bag is nearer to the left hand side person but far away from the right hand side person. So if the person has to say that okay, this is a bag, then how do we say? So for the left hand side person we would say kore wa kaban desu. Kore wa kaban desu. It means this is a bag. And from the right hand side person's perspective, if we want to say that that is a bag, then we say sore wa kaban desu. Sore wa kaban desu. Next scenario we have that the bag is far away from both the persons. So any one of them would say the same thing. Are wa kaban desu. Are wa kaban desu. That means that over there is a bag. And how do we ask a question? Like we want to say, for example, Tanaka-san no kaban wa dore desu ka? So which one of the group of bags belongs to Mr. Tanaka? That is what we want to say. Like there would be multiple bags and maybe one of them only belongs to Mr. Tanaka. So that's how we ask. Tanaka-san no kaban wa dore desu ka? Next we have the series Kono, Sono, Ano, Dono. So the pattern is little bit different, but the meaning wise it's more or less the same. So if we want to use Ano, Sono or Kono, we would say Ano kaban wa Tanaka-san no desu. Ano kaban wa Tanaka-san no desu. Or Kono kaban wa Tanaka-san no desu. So basically based on the distance we use Ano, Kono, Sono and all that. So here you see that right after Ano or Sono or Kono, the noun is coming. Okay. Earlier in Kore Sore series, Kore wa noun this was coming, and in this one, Kono noun wa so and so. Okay. Using the question words, we could say Dono kaban wa kaimasu ka? Dono kaban wa kaimasu ka? Which would mean out of a group of bags, which one bag do you want to buy? Now over to the Koko Soko Asoko Doko series. Here we usually go by the location. Okay. So location, if you want to know or if you want to state, then we use this series. For example, Tanaka-san no kaban wa doko desu ka? Tanaka-san no kaban wa doko desu ka? Which would mean, where is Tanaka-san's bag? We could reply something like, Tanaka-san no kaban wa asoko ni arimasu. Tanaka-san no kaban wa asoko ni arimasu. Which would mean that Tanaka-san's bag is over there. So it's giving information about the location. Similarly, Ochira, Sochira, Achira, Dochira series is quite similar to Koko series, but the difference is it is giving a sense of direction. If we want to ask or point out which direction it is, then we say, for example, Tanaka-san wa dochira kara desu ka? Tanaka-san wa dochira kara desu ka? Which means from where is Mr. Tanaka? Basically, we are asking for country here. He could say like Watashi wa doitsu kara desu, which would mean I am from Germany. Then we have another example, Deguchi wa achira desu. If you want to show someone where the exit is, then you can say this sentence that the exit is over there. Deguchi wa achira desu. So, coming back to the list of demonstratives. So here again we have a summary of the words that we did. So near the speaker we use the kore, kono, koko, kochira words, and if it is far from the speaker we use sore, sono, soko, sochira, and if it is far from both the speaker and listener we use are, ano, asoko and achira. And for question words, correspondingly we can use dore, dono, doko and tochira. That's it for today. Mata ne!